10 ways to kill a toothache in a minute. A toothache is something we have all experienced at least once in our lifetime. More than that, over 90% of adults have had some form of tooth decay. Effective toothache remedies don't have to cost you a fortune. There are more than affordable treatment methods you can try at home. Before we start, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications to keep up with our updates. Cold compress. When I told you the remedies would be more than affordable, I meant it. We'll start with a cold compress. A cold compress is effective for any kind of pain you are experiencing. Use an ice pack or put ice in a bag and wrap it with a thin cloth. Place this on the aching tooth for 15 minutes to numb the nerves. You can also try applying it to your cheek over the tooth in pain. Your brain will receive the cold signals from your finger nerves, and those will be stronger than pain signals. The cold compress also reduces inflammation and swelling. Peppermint tea. If you don't like the cold, how about brewing some tea instead? Peppermint tea smells great and has some numbing properties. Add 1 teaspoon of dry peppermint leaves to a cup of boiling water and let it brew for 20 minutes. Then, use the mixture to rinse your mouth. Tea bags will also do in case you don't have any dried tea leaves. Just brew one as you normally would, let it cool, and apply it to the throbbing area. Note that this pain reliever is totally safe but only has a very temporary effect. If you want it to last, you'll have to repeat the process once the pain comes back in a few minutes. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a pain reliever that will help you manage the discomfort. It can not only reduce plaque, but also heal bleeding gums and kill bad bacteria. You can use it as a mouthwash. All you have to do is mix 3% hydrogen peroxide with equal parts water. Do not swallow it. Once you spit it out, make sure to rinse your mouth with pure water a few times. Clove or clove oil. You probably know clove as a spice. In fact, it's not only a great tool to give your meal a special taste, but also a powerful healer. Clove has been treating toothaches for ages as it has eugenol, which is a natural antiseptic. It has been widely used in Ayurveda and Chinese medicine, and you have no reason to question those, right? Clove is used for the production of toothpaste and mouthwashes, and here's how you can make some of your own. In a pinch, use a small amount of powdered clove on the tooth or chew the whole clove a little to release its oil. Also, you can use a tiny amount of clove oil, about 2 drops, and place it on the affected area until the pain subsides. It's an effective temporary solution for dental emergencies. Guava leaves. Guava leaves are anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial. They not only alleviate toothaches, but also relieve mouth ulcers and swollen gums. Either simply chew a leaf or two until the juice starts working on the affected tooth, or place a few guava leaves in boiling water, allow the liquid to cool to a warm temperature, and then add a sprinkle of sea salt. Use this solution as a mouthwash. Thyme. Another remedy tested by Thyme and ancient Egyptians themselves. Not only is it a popular spice, but a powerful medication that can treat acne and help lower your blood pressure. And its antibacterial and antioxidant properties make Thyme an excellent toothache treatment tool. Mix a few drops of thyme essential oil with water on a cotton ball. Once the oil is diluted, apply the cotton ball to the aching area. As an alternative, make a thyme mouthwash by adding a few drops of essential oil to a small glass of water. Moving on, can you guess what remedy was widely used in ancient Chinese and Indian medicine and by Avicenna himself to treat toothaches? I bet you have it in your kitchen right now. I will give you the answer in a few moments, so you have some time to think it over. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass has antibacterial properties, which offer both short-term and long-term benefits while preventing tooth decay and pain. For best results, chew wheatgrass directly or use its juice as a mouthwash. It removes toxins from gums and supplies them with important nutrients and also reduces bacterial growth. It also gives you fresh breath as a bonus if you use it regularly. What's the secret behind wheatgrass? It's chlorophyll. Packed with amino acids, vitamins, calcium, and hundreds of enzymes only found in it. All this makes it a great natural remedy for gum disease and other unpleasant conditions. Garlic. It's time to reveal that remedy recommended by Avicenna himself. It's something as basic and common as garlic. Did you guess it right? Let us know by pressing the like button if you did. Garlic is known and used for its diverse medical properties. It kills harmful bacteria and works as a pain reliever. The best approach to using it is either make a paste of it and place it on the affected area, or chew it slowly. You can repeat this natural treatment for a few days until the pain is gone. In case you are having doubts about this remedy because of the odor garlic will give you, think of the powerful effect it has as a pain reliever and forgive it for its smell. Saltwater rinse. Your grandma probably told you about this remedy and was absolutely right. Salt water is a natural disinfectant and also an easy and effective remedy to cure a toothache. All you have to do is mix 1/2 tablespoon of salt into a glass of warm water and use it as a mouthwash. It also prevents swelling and cleans the area around the toothache. Dentists also recommend rinsing your mouth with salt water in addition to your regular dental routine to keep your teeth healthy. Onion. Onion contains phytochemicals that target the germs responsible for the infection and gives you a break from the pain. The best approach to use it is to cut off a piece of the onion and chew it on the side of your mouth that is in pain. This allows the juice from the onion to penetrate your tooth. If the pain is too intense to chew, you can use a finger to hold the piece of onion directly against the affected tooth. Remember that the more pungent the onion is, the stronger the healing effect will be. Sweet onions won't be as powerful as red or yellow ones when it comes to relieving your toothache. Bonus: applying acupressure. In case the pain struck and you have nothing at hand, for example, if you are at an important meeting or stuck in a traffic jam, try applying acupressure. Pressing certain points can help releasing important feel-good hormones called endorphins and making you feel better. You can try one of the following points. Press and hold the point behind your outer ankle bone for a minute with your fingertip. Don't press too hard. Press the point between the base of your thumb and your index finger on the back of your hand with the thumb of the other hand. Do it moderately for around 10 minutes. Note that the remedies mentioned in this video will give you a temporary effect and won't cure your toothache completely and for good. It's still a good idea to see the dentist to find out and eliminate the cause of your toothache if it comes back to you. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any medical condition that may be impacted by herbal ingredients, please consult the dentist before using these remedies in the first place. Do you have any personal favorites when it comes to killing toothaches? Feel free to let us know in the comments section. If you found this video useful, give it a like and share it with your friends who deserve to know the secret. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to it to always stay in the know. Stay with us on the bright side of life.